Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, September 5th, 2018. We have some interesting weather on the way throughout the region, so let's dive into this forecast. We have a attempted backdoor cold front that is basically failing, cutting through Connecticut and Long Island, leading to much cooler temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. However, for the rest of the region, we remain in this sauna that has been our weather, with temperatures already in the lower to mid 80s throughout the region, and expected to rise into the upper 80s to lower 90s for much of the area, leading to a heat index in the mid 90s to lower 100s. Not very comfortable at all. However, if you head out towards eastern Long Island and much of the eastern half of Connecticut, you have temperatures in the lower to mid 80s, so not all that bad if you head out in that location. On the latest visible satellite picture, you can see that stationary front hanging around eastern Connecticut and eastern Long Island, but it's already starting to give way and collapse. As you can see, we have an easterly wind from a high pressure system up here in Canada and Maine that is driving this marine air mass towards the coast, but it basically fails, and then the tropical air mass overwhelms it, and so that's why we're seeing this difference in temperatures. On the latest surface map, you can see the surface boundaries well to the north. We have a weak high pressure system here that's pushing some of that marine air mass. Some really cool air is back up here over Maine, but that is not going to reach our neck of the woods at all. And so we're looking at a rather humid day once again for much of the region. So let's dive into this forecast. For this afternoon, hazy, hot, and humid, an isolated shower or thunderstorm is possible in the afternoon and evening hours. Look for temperatures to rise into the lower to mid 80s over eastern Connecticut and eastern Long Island. Mid to upper 80s on the coast and upper 80s to lower 90s everywhere else. For tonight, areas of locally dense fog will develop. Look for lows in the mid 70s, just steamy and uncomfortable out there. Tomorrow afternoon, a cold front will be moving through the region with scattered showers and thunderstorms. This cold front will be capable of producing thunderstorms that will produce very heavy downpours, frequent lightning, and wind gusts over 40 miles per hour, so certainly be careful of that. Ahead of the cold front, temperatures will rise into the mid to upper 80s on the coast and upper 80s to lower 90s everywhere else. On Friday, that cold front will stall to the south of the region with variable cloud cover and isolated to widely scattered showers. A bit cooler, look for lows in the lower to mid 70s, highs in the mid 80s. On Saturday, high pressure will take control with a few lingering showers in the early morning hours followed by clearing skies. Much cooler, lows in the upper 60s, highs in the mid to upper 70s. On Sunday, high pressure will be in complete control with clear skies to scattered cloud cover, lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s, highs in the lower to mid 70s. On Monday, high pressure will start to give way as the remnants of Gordon approaches the region. Look for increasing clouds throughout the day, but for the most part dry conditions. By the evening hours, there will be showers moving in, and some of those showers will be capable of some heavy downpours. Look for lows in the lower 60s, highs in the lower to mid 70s. On Tuesday, periods of showers are expected throughout the day, with lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s, highs in the lower to mid 80s. And on Wednesday, that frontal boundary will be hanging around with a few lingering showers and variable cloud cover. Look for lows in the lower 70s and highs in the lower to mid 80s. That is your forecast discussion for today. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.